The devil is hiding somewhere inside this hotel. And it's not your average devil either. The gun devil's fragment is being drawn to it. That means it's a devil that's eaten a fragment already.
Isn't that supposed to mean the gun devil's here?
The larger the fragment, the stronger the attraction. This is too small for that.
That seems cool. Give me it.
You two, where are your parents?
Huh?
What?
The fuck
You
are
guys are
you,
such
my mom?
arrogant
Why
fools.
should I? I will tell us, sir.
Sir.
Okay, good.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Mr. Hayakawa, as people who are supposed to fight together against a devil, is it really okay to be trusting our backs to them? One's a devil fiend, and the other's some little punk. I sure can't trust them.
We're not just going to be leaving our backs to them. They'll largely just be leading the way during the devil extermination. If they try to run away or sell the devils, then we'll kill them.
Aren't you just treating us like animals?
You two don't have human rights.
He's really mad. Probably because of this morning.
That prank was pretty bad.
That was not a goddamn prank! I'll fucking kill you both!
Gary, what happened? Aki, it's a bit mean if you're only swinging the stick.
Yeah, I almost died because of that bat, and I'm already getting dragged back out to work. Where's my reward?
Oh, alright, I'll pitch in too. I'll give whoever kills the devil this time a kiss on the cheek.
That's... You shouldn't do something like that! An unmarried man doing such a lewd...
What? People work harder when there's a reward, right? Right?
I don't need a kiss. It's fine. I got my motivation already.
Oh?
I already decided who I want for my first kiss. I'll gather these fragments of whatever else for her. I ain't kissing anyone till I murder the gun devil.
The gun devil? You?
Oh boy. Saying that to Aki's face?
Besides, I learned something important. Doing sexy stuff feels good because both sides understand each other. I don't even know your name. You love saying nothing to get excited about.
You don't say. Then, if you kill the devil, Denji, I'll give you a French kiss. Teasing boys is the best.
What do I do? What do I do? I want to drink some blood.
It's dangerous to go alone. Stop!
Yeah.
I owe him an oath for training me up for half a year. If some punk out of nowhere is going to see our lips, then I'll take a kiss on the cheek. Beat it! Quit clinging to me, asshole. You're making me sick. Fuck off! Don't put what I'm trying to do on the same level as your shit.
Do you think your new recruits will be usable?
Arai's a bit lacking in ability, but feels like he's got enough motivation. On the other hand, Coveney's a bit reserved and sensitive, but she can move pretty well. What about yours?
The Blood Devil Fiend is strong, but she's got a short fuse. There's still a chance she might betray us. And there are too many uncertainties with Denji. It's hard to say.
These 4 rookies. Do you think they'll survive?
The guys who I thought were strong, and the guys I thought weren't, have died or gone to the private sector within a year.
That isn't an answer. Don't die, Aki. Don't die, Aki.
I'm Maki. Looking forward to it.
So, are you usable?
Maybe. Who knows?
You'll be my sixth buddy. Every other one has died. They're all useless trash, so they're all dead. Don't die, Aki. Aki? It's coming.